Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Aiman Hatimi bin Ahmad Sab. My ID EB19214. Section 1. This video to present about group assignment for basic maintenance technology under Sir Arman.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Nawani, EB19221.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Asim binti Wan Azmi from section 01 and my match ID EB19220.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fazana Adila binti Zakaria EB19318 and I'm from section 0. Today I will explain introduction and conclusion. Introduction. In order to maintain the reliability and integrity of electrical distribution system, as well as for the protection of equipment and personnel, a proper electrical preventive maintenance and testing is one of the most important functions to be performed. However, annual preventive maintenance is often overlooked or ignored by most citizens, or it will be performed infrequently as it should be. Time delay between maintenance can cause the mechanism to be slowly broken over time. It can cause the current overflow problem, which in return lead to half of the house electric plug not function normally. Tenaga Nasional Berhad state that temperature in conductors or conductor insulation can rise to a dangerous level due to overcurrent. Overcurrent is a situation where a larger than intended electric current exists through a conductor, leading to excessive generation of heat and the risk of fire or damage to equipment. With regard to circuit breaker, the only way to accomplish this is through proper maintenance and testing of this equipment.
Today I will talk about the problem which is voltage fluctuated by using the 5Y analysis, and I will give some of the explanation of this problem.
Alright, I will talk about 5Y analysis and I will give some explanation for this analysis. Based on the video that we have choose, we found that they have a few of problem. As stated in the 5Y analysis that have done, we found that the first problem which is causing the house lose the power is voltage fluctuated. So from the problem it might have wiring issues which can cause fluctuation at the voltage. Then as we can see on the analysis, wiring issues can happen because maybe they have insects or pests. Usually if they have the insects or pests, it can cause the damage. It can be they left their part or do anything until can affect the wire. This can be happen when the wires are placed at non-suitable place, such as in this video we found that it is placed at the outside of the house. So I think that's all the explanation about this analysis from me. Thank you. So I think the other members can give their explanation and can continue my explanation with another problem.
I'm going to present the part of problem solving, that is 5Y and FOB3 analysis using this method. And the problems that I am solving is the only half power sent to the house, and also the problems at the circuit breaker. Alright, for the next problem that we have detected in the video is we are using the 5Y analysis method, and in this 5Y analysis diagram, we have gathered the main problem that occurred in the video. The problem is only half power are sent to the housing system. Due to that reason, we have collected several more reasons or root cause of the following problem. As shown in the diagram above, the root cause may have started from the overload of current usage due to the usage of too many extensions on a single circuit. After that event it may cause the component to overheating due to excessive usage and lead to the result of the component having a breakdown. After so many breakdowns, this may cause the main breaker to receive a side effect and cause problems at the main breaker, which is lead to the main problem, that is only half power assigned to the housing system. I'm going to present about the problems that I have created using the fault tree analysis, and I'm going to explain the diagram that we are presenting right now. Okay, this fault tree analysis contain a problem that is the damage on breaker. We have detected there are damage on the breaker based on the video that we have found, and this fault tree method shows that the root cause of the damage at the breaker. As stated, we could see that there are three main root causes that is detected to be the one that contributed as the cause of the damage on the breakers. Also, as we go further down to the tree diagram, we can see that there are also minor things that we tend to ignore also can be the root cause of the main damage, such as plugging too many devices at the same circuit is common in our daily life, and this mistake will lead to a dangerous situation such as cause of fire. That's all for this fault tree analysis.
The problem to be discussed here is halfway. At this fishbone diagram, the problem found were wrong reading machine, lack of maintenance, expo, overload, connection, part not installed properly, and the technician lack of training to do wiring. Then my second part in FMEA form. In this form have 5 problems been discussed. The problem found in this form were voltage flood, half of power damage on breaker, many wire under one screw terminal, and floating wire connection in loud panel. All of the process that potential effect of failure and the action recommendation result have in this FMEA form.
Conclusion: in order to protect electrical equipment and personnel, proper electrical equipment preventive maintenance must be performed. User can refer the manufacturer instruction or industry consensus standard to help them cope with electrical equipment maintenance and testing. Equipment damage and arc flash hazard can be limited if the overcurrent protective devices are properly maintained and tested, proper adjustment and operation. Unfortunately, many citizens think that just because the lights are on or the machine are running that everything is okay, half of the house. Maintenance is not needed because the circuit breaker is working just fine. Actually, the circuit breaker is not working. It is closed when an overload, ground fault or short circuit occur, and the circuit breaker should open automatically in the time specific. To make sure electrical equipment and system in a good shape, as well as for safety of household, regular maintenance to overcurrent protective device is critically needed. That's all. Thank you.